This video is going to help you with IXL Objective Q2, ordering items from general to specific. So you will be given 3 or 4 items and you will have to put them in order from the most general topic to the most specific topic. For instance, these 3 items: games, sports, and football. Games is the most general topic, can mean any kind of game from Monopoly to football to playing cards. So this is the most general topic. And then from there, we narrow it a little bit. So we just want sports. So just games that are sports. And then from there, we get very specific in just the sport of football. So games is the most general. We narrow it a little bit to sports and then to football. So we might have these 3 items: markers, Sharpie, writing instruments. So if you look at these, which would be the most general? So if you said writing instruments, I would agree. Writing instruments could be anything from a piece of chalk to a fine brand new ballpoint pen, or a rock that you could scratch something into another rock. So any kind of writing instrument. And then we would narrow that to just markers. And then we could narrow that to a brand name of markers, a Sharpie marker. All right, so if we look at this one, and here we'll number them 1, 2, and 3. So we have landforms, Big Black Mountain, and mountains. So which is the most general? We will label that 1. And I hope that you said that it was landforms, because that could be anything from mountains to valleys to mesas. And then what would be the next most general? If we narrowed it down a little bit, then we would have mountains. So any landform that is a mountain. And then, of course, Big Black Mountain would be the most specific because we're talking about a specific mountain. All right, and let's look at these 3. We have vegetables, carrots, and food. Which one would be the most general? Food, that could be anything from cookies to steak to potato chips to carrots. And then what would be the next item in our list? Well, vegetables, because vegetables is one type of food. And then, of course, we have carrots. Carrots is one specific type of vegetable. All right, and see, I think we have one more. Pants, clothing, and blue jeans. What is the most general? The most general is clothing. That could be a bathrobe or a bathing suit or a dress. And then we would have pants. And then the most specific of all would be blue jeans. So I hope that helps you when you do your Objective Q2 in IXL.